The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where you watch? Dancehall. Hombre, you may attack. Yeah. You know where out there? I murder people them girl pit me. Who tell us say you no man my youth? Huh? Me not rate no bad boy. Me man say them a bad man and I kill woman and pit me and grandmother and them something there. You a gun bag, you a bad man. See? But somehow not in a relationship with a killer of woman. Your own car, your own dresser, your own remote, your own watch, your own chain. You know one human beings. Not even pitney them where you get in one. That's why no two human beings have the same blueprint. Brother, stop killing woman in for them front. That's why God give a cocky and woman pum pum. See? You know one woman. And the man when you walk around and I pray upon the woman them. Yeah, idiot boy.
Alright viewers and subscribers, my name is Skilla. Yes, I am here again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Now I just presented to you a video that shows a musician who goes by the name of I and he said some things that gave me the understanding that he talked about violence against women. Now I saw posts from persons who are said to be celebrities about the killing of a female who goes by the name of Khanice Jackson. I saw posts from Ramesh, Beenie Man, TJ and other persons who are said to be celebrities from within the country of Jamaica. See? Now I read a news article, and according to some things that I read in the news article, I got the understanding that the body of a female who goes by the name of Khanice Jackson had been discovered at a place that is known as Dyke Road, that is within Portmore, St. Catherine, Jamaica. It is said that Khanice Jackson's body had been discovered on the 26th of March, the year 2021. It is said that the female was missing from the 24th of March, the year 2021. See? It is believed that the female had been raped and murdered. And according to something that I read in the news article, it is said that a man had been brought into police custody to be questioned about the killing of Khanice Jackson. Preliminary reports are that the female had been abducted while she was at a bus stop. I also saw a video on social media that shows the scene where the body had been found and the body as well. Now I have a video that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, and according to some things that have been shown and said in this video, I got the understanding that a person who you can hear talking in the background of this video was close to the scene where the body had been found on the 26th of March, the year 2021, at a certain time after the body had been found. Alright, I'm presenting this video to you so that you can get a better understanding as to what happened. Now here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe.
But they're out at Dyke Road, now the vicinity of the fishing village, and the mayor said the browning, what them they look for the other day, a fair body they down there so I have a bridge in the out time say boy them did rape her. Yeah, tie her up and rape her and then dump her body out or so. So, that's what the thing said.
It is said that Khanice Jackson is 20 years old. And it is said that what happened to Khanice Jackson left her relatives disheartened. Many comments have been made on social media about what happened to Khanice Jackson. And I also saw videos circulating on social media that shows persons talking about what happened to Khanice Jackson and about violence against women. What happened to the female raises many concerns within the country of Jamaica about crime and violence within the country of Jamaica. Now, I'm going to put together and present to you pieces of videos that are going to show persons talking about violence against women. In one of these videos, you're going to see a musician who goes by the name of Popcorn. And in one of these videos, you're going to see a musician who goes by the name of TJ. In one of these videos, you're going to see a musician who goes by the name of Jada Kingdom. And in one of the videos, you're going to see a person talking about violence against women within the country of Jamaica. Now, some of the scenes in these pieces of videos might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Now, here are the pieces of videos. Take a look, listen, and observe.
There's an issue that has been bothering me, but now my frustration brew. The crime and violence against our women in Jamaica have to stop now. We need a change in the world, and we need it today. If we as the men don't protect our women, then who will? We need a change, and today we cry for justice for Chianice Jackson and for all the other women who have been suffering in silence, the children who have been suffering, who are suffocating. We still look for Jasmine Dean. We need a change in the world, and we need it now.
Yeah. Here we go on now, Zane. And my mother grew me. I respect my father same way, I don't know, but me remember when me around 10-year-old, my father tell me, say, yo, your mother cast this in a young boy. Your mother never married to me, so me nah mind, no. I'm take God off a cross, say, yo, me nah make none of my youth them ever feel like how me feel. Yeah, when my father did say that to me, Zane. So what you pray now? Respect my father. By the end of the day, you see me? Because I never kill mommy. Yo, oh God, man, and my mother grew me, my mother tell me, say, no woman belongs to a man. You understand? And a feel of vagina that, brother, you have penis. Don't kill a woman, them, brother. No, stop, no, man. Stop killing woman, them, man. You hurt with no, man. I see or something, man. Give woman, them, a blind, no, man. And 9 months, then can we find a brother. Bear all much pressure in a brother. Some of we in a brother ending up they go breed all other woman when we woman are breed in a brother, put woman through depression, how much sick in a brother, woman hate we in a brother and still hold it out and stay loyal and thing in a brother. You understand me, brother? So me I try to show no say in a brother. You don't make no sense so now walk around and kill the woman them in a brother, joke thing in a brother. You see me? And every man me I speak for another, just some man out there, just some no man too. No man. No man. No boy, no something else, you see me? Big woman thing. Just allow the woman them make the woman them flourish. Look on the beautiful woman them a grow. If I know, I know. You get me family? It's like John was there.
When I respect woman, you know. I feel like woman they got birth them with a phone. So I can just hold woman and take. Hey boy. Hey man, I start find someone in a pussy. Oh, I'm too no. You know how much girl in the take when I rape boy a youth. And nothing no come out of it. How long this I go on for? Oh, bum buckler longer. How much longer it ever go on for? Right now, me and my artist brother, then we need to call a meeting, you know. Yeah, man. Cause them thing a joke bum buckler thing, dog. Joke thing. I'm tell you, who are gonna protect the woman them? Who are gonna protect the woman them at Jamaica? And all over the world. But some man just see and take what they want from them.
Everybody act like it's new. And when me that says to everybody that drag me. It's very sad. It's very sad and very fuck up and unfortunate and just fucking fuck up, bro. Say you have some people on earth like this who that do them things that too. You can't even just people, can't even just woman, just people overall. Like it really and truly fuck up. But as I said, the only thing I come on life to tell you is, again, the young ladies them walk with protection. Stop blaming the government for everything. Him is not omnipresent. Him not have control of. Him can't tell them killer you and rapist or what the fuck for though. Walk with protection.
Alright, so there you have it, viewers and subscribers. Pieces of videos that I put together and presented to you, and these videos shows persons saying some things that gave me the understanding that they talked about violence against women. Alright, so here's where I'm going to leave it. Big up and respect to each and every one, and until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Stay safe.
Hey man, you know where you watch?
Dancehall Skilla.
Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla.